How do I apply this in my life? Many people refuse to forgive because pride says, I shouldn't have to. They don't deserve it. I was the one that was hurt. But what does humility say? It says, Lord, I will obey you even when it is difficult. Just as Naaman's healing was on the other side of obedience, our freedom is on the other side of forgiveness. Jesus shows us what mercy looks like. 1 John 1 verse 9, if we confess our sins, he is faithful and just to forgive us of our sins and cleanse us from all unrighteousness. Psalms 103 verse 12, as far as the east is from the west, so far does he remove our transgressions from us. A couple of weeks I did communion. So when you look at the globe, you'll see that north and south is connected, but east and west is not connected to one another. So if you travel from east to west, you keep on traveling east. Doesn't matter if you stop or whether you go the other way around. And that is how far God forgives our transgressions and our sins, because there's no beginning and there's no end. And that is also what God is calling us to do.